Hello and welcome. So in this tutorial, we're going to create an AND logic gate. And an AND logic gate is one of the main subcomponents of all microprocessors and microcontrollers, such as the Arduino that we have right there. So essentially, all it is a circuit where you have two inputs, which we're going to have buttons with. And so there are two buttons, you have to press both for the light to come on. In a way, it's two input signals, both of which need to be on for the third output signal to go on as well. And the reason why I wanted to construct some of these logic gates, and the reason why I'm trying to do them using transistors, is because all complex sort of logic units, be that from the calculators that you use, all the way down to the computers where you see this, are made up out of this type of stuff. So let's just set one up. But what I mean by that is get this button in across the breadboard and have a 10K resistor connect to one side. So this would be the input. And this would go into a leg of a transistor. In fact, you guys would be seeing this a lot better if I maximized it. So that transistor goes such that the base is on the leg of the button, and then it's gonna go to a LED, which goes through a resistor. I guess the easiest way to put it would be like, that's a 220 ohm right there, and we can have our usual trusted red LED to go in like, oops, long leg needs to be there actually. So when I push this button, essentially this minus right here, if that went to the emitter, well, the collector, we're facing away. So this should, in theory, work. Yeah. And so all you do is a cycle of two of these, which shouldn't be that hard. I guess I can... So repeat what we just did. That wire goes there. Emitter base collector. We need a button. The button goes on to the base with a 10K input. And the collector is going to go and connect itself to the plus. And I guess the simplest way would be to take this breadboard wire to the plus. So, in theory, pressing one button, you can almost see a little tiny amount of light. That's how much current leaks in. For the other one, you see nothing, but when you press both, it goes on. One, nothing, both on. One, both. So there you have it. That is the AND logic gate.